We'll begin with what we had yesterday, and this was the final race for none other than the world record marathon holder, Kelvin Kiptum. He was laid to rest yesterday, and I know a number of people joined the family and friends in sending him off, and a lot was said, and this is just what transpired and what the world of athletics said during that process.
Not only to the family, not only to the community, but also...
Emotions ran high as the reality dawned in this sleeping village of Chepkoria that their son, world marathon record holder Kelvin Kiptum, is no more.
If Kelvin was still around, the only thing that maybe we would want maybe to see is the history we was going to make going forward.
We put up legislations that fully takes care of their heroes, of these heroes, now and in the future. If it is legislated well, I believe that a lot of things will be taken care of, and we are ready, Your Excellency, to participate in the drafting of that legislation.
Despite being great ambassadors for the country, there are feelings that athletes have been neglected and are calling on the government and the sports fraternity to rein in on rogue managers and improve on the infrastructure in the region.
And for his honor, please, Mr. President, we request that you start a project here, a training facility to honor him and name after him.
Diego, I've said it all. Mine is just to say, rest in peace, Kiptum. Till we meet again, we will miss you. Bye-bye.
The athletics world joined Kenya in mourning a man who came, saw and conquered and left in a flash.
But it is a celebration suffused in frustration. Frustration because Kelvin would have written more epic chapters in the lustrous history of Kenyan and world athletics.
You were ambitious, disciplined and focused, with a huge dream of shattering world records. Your promise as an athlete was immense, and your athletic journey was so inspiring and full of hope.
Kelvin Kiptum leaves behind a wife, 2 children and standing world marathon record of 2 hours and 35 seconds.
2 hours and 35 seconds, and that tells you that this is a